Okay, friends, today is the highly anticipated standard American algorithm lesson that we've all been waiting for. But in all reality, some of you do want to learn how to do this. Some of you already know how to do it. Some of you have an idea of how to do it, but maybe not 100% correct. Today, you have just watched two videos to kind of walk you through it. So now we're going to do some together. So if you don't have it already, pause this video and go grab your whiteboard and your marker and an eraser. All right, now that you're back, let's work together. We're going to work on maybe 3 to 4 examples, and we're going to do 2 by 2 digit multiplication. All right, so we're going to start with 23 times 13. You have to know your math facts. Okay. All right, so let's work together. Remember, you always start with the bottom number, and you start with the ones place value and multiply both digits of the top number. And then you move to the tens place value on the bottom number, and you multiply those to the top number. Okay. The first number we're going to multiply is we're going to do 3 times 23. So you go 3 times 3, you know that is 9. Okay? And then it's 3 times 2, which is 6. So really what I just solved for is 23 times 3 is 69. So since I already multiplied the ones place value, I'm going to put a 0 here. No parking. You can't come back. I've already multiplied the ones place value. Now I'm going to go to my tens place value on my bottom number. And what this is really like is multiplying 10 times 23. That's why we have that 0. Okay? So I know 1 times 3 is 3. But really, look at friends, I'm in my tens place value. That's really like 10 times 3, which is 30. 3 tens is 30. And 2 times 1 times 2 is 2. So what this is saying is 23 times 10 is 230. Look at that. 230. That's why we need that 0. Then you add those bad boys up, and you get 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So 23 times 13 is 299. Let's try another one. I'm going to use a different color. Okay, our next one, they're going to get gradually harder. Let's do 34 times 22. All right, same thing. We multiply the bottom number by the top number. We're going to start with the 2 times the top number and the 20 times the top number. So, first we do 2 times 34. And to solve that, I know 2 times 4 is 8. And I know 2 times 3 is 6. So what that is saying is 34 times 2 is 68. I'm done multiplying my ones place value, so I put a 0 there. Can't park there. Now I'm multiplying. It looks like it's going to be 2 times 34 again, but really it's 20 times 34 because the 2 is in the tens place value. 2 tens is 20. All right, oh, this was an easy one. So you just multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. And 20 times 34 is 680. See what I have here? Add those bad boys up. 8. 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 34 times 22 is 748. All right, 2 more. We're going to work together. See if you can beat me. Try to see if you can beat me. All right, let's do 57 times 42. 3. All right, oop, that's a times. Okay, so first we're multiplying 3 times 57. To do that, we start by doing 3 times 7, which is 21. Carry the 1. Carry the 2. Put the 1 down, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. Plus 2 is 15, 16, 17. So 57 times 3 is 171. Then I put my 0 underneath the 1's place value because I'm done with that. And now I'm going to be multiplying 57 times 4, but really it's 57 times 40. Okay, so we start again. 4 times 7, oh, I know that's 28. I bring down the 8, carry the 2. I put my second 2 below and cross this one off so I don't get confused. And then 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Add them up. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So 57 times 43 is 2,451. Woo! And our last one is going to be our hardest one. Let's do 64 times 79. It might also be our largest product. Okay. So we're really starting off with multiplying 9 times 64. And to do that, you multiply 9 times 4. I know that's 36. Carry the 3. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 3, 54, 55, 56, 57. So 64 times 9 is 576. I'm done multiplying my 9, so I put a 0 in the 1's place value. Now I have what looks like 7 times 64, but really it's 70. That's why we need that 0. It's really 70 times 64. Okay, same thing. Now we do 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2. 42. 4, 3, 44. 44. Add those up. And I have 6. 15. Carry the 1. 5, 9, 10. Carry the 1. And 5. So, 64 times 79 is 5,056. On the next slide, you're going to have 3 of them for practice. Type your answer in the box and then have a selfie of your work on your whiteboard. Please reference my video or the 2 videos you watched before and try your best. We will be talking about this and another method on our Thursday meeting.